Hey everybody, so today I have the TechOrbits rolling workstation. As you can see, it does roll around. It's on 4 casters. So with this, the top you can adjust and you can angle it up and down 40 degrees. And this is labeled as a sit stand. Right now it's at its lowest setting. The sitting part of it will more depend on how tall your chair is. It does have this ledge here at the bottom that can be used for like a keyboard or a mouse if you need to. This would also be good for a podium or even like a music stand as well. It does have this little lip here that will hold things on. And this is also great for those that just need a rolling cart to use your laptop. As for assembly, it only took like 5 minutes to put this together. Now it's really easy to raise up and lower. You just have to unscrew these deals here and you'll be able to raise it up and then tighten it back up. You will also hear a clicking effect to let you know that it's in spot. And this is how tall it will get. I am 5'11" to give you a reference there. And tilted, this is actually perfect to have my stuff on here. And then you can easily reach a keyboard and everything. Anyway, this is the TechOrbits Rolling Sit Stand Workstation.